Thank you for coming to our first webinar for JC YARED and MEIDE Group. So we are happy today that our partners from China, we have speakers from MEIDE Group, Mr. Leon, who is the MEIDE Group Sales Director, Ms. Denise, and Ms. Maggie. So they are going to present us and to show us what about MEIDE Group, what they are capable of, the range of products, and their reference project in the world. Thank you again for coming in this early morning. It is almost 9:05 in Lebanon. I will jump directly to our company presentation as YARED. So I will be speaking about 5 minutes, and I will hand the speech to our partners for the MEIDE Group presentation. I'll be sharing my screen. So YARED company is founded in 1860. So it is almost 140 years ago. We are a very old company, started in Lebanon. And we have many previous experience and work in Lebanon in landmark projects. These are some of the list of the projects we have been successfully installed our equipment. Also some major towers in Lebanon and abroad. We have this compound, also one of the major projects, American University of Beirut, where we all supplies our products from fittings, from pipes, of course, fittings from MEIDE Group, which are the which we have been represented and proud of represent them from 5 years ago. So one of the good product that we have, good project that we have, compounds. Our team is a highly effective, professional, talented team. It responds to the change of the market. We are an equal opportunity employer. We invest heavily in the development of human resources and their skills. We have many supplier network all over the world, from America to Europe, to Far East, to China. As we said, we are our headquarters are in Lebanon, but also we expand in the previous years to Iraq, to Ivory Coast, where we have our company there, and to KSA as well, where we started, and we have our team as well. So what we offer as YARED is also service and solution for the oil and gas field, for the MEP contracting and consulting firms. Also, we have wholesale retail section in our company, and infrastructure. And of course, we have a dedicated team for the service and after sales. So these are our scope of supply from valves, manhole covers, pipes, support and fixtures, HVAC equipment, mainly heating. We have pumps where we represent Grundfos pumps and peerless pumps, flanges and fittings, fans, grooved fittings from MEIDE, of course, and fire systems. Also, we use extensively our malleable iron fittings and grooved fittings from our partner, MEIDE. So in a nutshell, we have in HVAC system, we supply the pipes, malleable iron, valves, balancing flanges and pipes. In the heating system, of course, we can supply the pipes, we can supply the PPR, malleable iron fittings as well, valves, pumps, boilers, radiators, and tanks, hot water tanks. So in the firefighting system, as we previously mentioned, we supply our malleable iron fittings, our grooved fittings, which are ULFM certified from MEIDE Group, MECH, valves, also ULFM certified, flanges, and pumps, peerless ULFM. So this is our firefighting system. We jump to pumping system as well, and oil and gas, where we can supply the upstream, midstream valves, the pipeline, the casing and tubings, and flanges. So in a nutshell, this is our list of projects. Many projects in Lebanon and abroad. As we said, we supplied grooved fittings, supplied malleable iron fittings, steel pipes, and so on. I will go over them very quickly due to the time restrictions. So we have Admir, Galleria, Loise Hills, Beit Mesek, Ciel et Jardin in Ashrafieh, Urban Dreams, Centro Mall, Serso, and one of the prestigious projects, also Middle East Training Center, Middle East Airlines Training Center next to the airport. We supply our pumps and malleable iron fittings to install the pumps as well. So our facility here in Beirut comprises of our nutshell and state-of-the-art warehouse with, of course, the offices inside as well, and our team. And on behalf of my team and on behalf of JC YARED, I would like to thank you for joining us today. And I will go and hand the presentation to our partner from MEIDE Group. And thank you again.
Hello. Thank you, Mr. Bishara. Hi, everybody. This is Denise from JC Casting. I'm the sales director in charge of Middle East and African markets. For me, also, I want to say thank you first for joining with us out of your busy schedule. And thanks also to our old friends from YARED, Mr. Bishara, and especially also Ms. Ola for organizing this webinar and make this chance for meeting. MEIDE and YARED, as Mr. Bishara introduced, has been cooperating for many years already, actually almost 6 years now, starting from 2015. And there has been extensive range of cooperation on the different product ranges, like the grooved fittings and couplings, the valve products, and actually also steel pipe nipples, and of course also the product that we are going to present today, especially the malleable iron threaded fittings. Later, my colleague Maggie and Leon will give a specific presentation. Hope that you will be able to have some general understanding of our company and our products, and that you can continue to support us. By us, I mean JC Casting as a factory and our partner, Mr. YARED, also in future. And I want to say thank you. Thank you very much. And in the future, if you have planned to visit China, please let us know. We would be happy to meet you face by face and to show you also around our factories. Since time is tight, so now let's start directly. Firstly, from a company profile video of our factory. So Jason, please.
Build dreams with original will and forge ahead with innovation. MEIDE Group follows its heart, focuses on each detail, and accumulates strength connecting the world. Gather strengths to connect the world. Established in 1961, Through the development of more than half a century, MEIDE Group has become a diversified international enterprise group that focuses on malleable cast iron pipe fitting, grooved fitting, valve, electrical fitting, and ductile iron, and also gives consideration to equity investment. As the leader of the same industry in the world, MEIDE sticks to the core values of putting users first, taking quality as the life, promoting development with innovation, and reaching win-win with cooperation. Focuses on various sections including design, R&D, production and manufacturing. Extends the upstream and downstream industrial chains and creates high-quality development. It provides reliable products and smart and complete solutions for clients in fluid conveying industry across the globe. As a national high-tech enterprise, model enterprise of single championship, and green manufacturing enterprise, MEIDE has fully exerted its advantages as the nationally certified enterprise technology center and postdoctoral scientific research workstation, and finished the transformation of production process from mechanization to automation and intelligentization, the transformation of operating management from experience type to institutionalization and process, and the transformation of marketing from selling products to providing solutions. It integrates innovation into blood and quality life. It comprehensively starts the double intelligence strategy and connects intelligent product and intelligent manufacturing to development, promotes the transformation of innovative achievements and productivity, and fully improves the brand chain momentum of MEIDE. Targeted at diversified development and global configuration, MEIDE positively brings in international top talents, creates the cross-regional and multi-base international development pattern, and provides the high-quality services for global users. MEIDE cooperates with international famous partners to jointly set up the world landmarks and realize win-win in the global market. Scanning the world widely, MEIDE serves as the national backbone. Setting foot in China, MEIDE undertakes social responsibilities. MEIDE practices the environment-friendly ideas and conveys the strength of love in the public welfare cause, such as education, urban construction, and poverty alleviation. It keeps making innovations and moving on. MEIDE Group shares with employees, realizes win-win with clients, makes progress with the industry, and attains prosperity with the times.
Okay, thank you for watching our company video. This is Maggie from MEIDE Group International Sales Team. I'm honored to be here to give you a company introduction. MEIDE Group is a private manufacturing company. Under MEIDE Group, we have totally 70 factories around the world. And among them, there are 8 manufacturing member companies, including Jinan MEIDE Casting, MECH Malleable, MECH Malleable, MEIDE Yachang, MEIDE Gengchen, San'an, and MEIDE Weihai. Okay, now my introduction will cover the following parts, including the general information, products, certificates, projects, and etc. Founded in 1961, MEIDE Group has a history of over 60 years. We committed to provide safe and reliable products, smart and complete solutions for the clients in the fluid conveying industry across the globe. Until now, our products are well distributed in 130 countries and regions. In 2019, our turnover is exceeded 10 billion RMB, and even under the negative impact of the COVID in 2020, We also achieved a 25% increase. Here are some key numbers of our company, which will help you understand our company well. We have over 10,000 employees at home and abroad, with an annual production capacity of over 2 million tons. We have an independent engineering team with over 500 engineers for product and the process. And we also have over 400 patents. We organized and participated drafting of national and industry standards, over 30. Until now, we have over 7 production bases at home and abroad. Jinan is our headquarters production bases. Besides, we also have 4 production bases in China, Linyi, Weihai, Hebei, Zhaoqing. And also we have 2 overseas production bases, Thailand and Vietnam. We are preparing the construction of the Europe production bases. Altogether, we have over 17 factories around the world. Started in 1961, they founded as Jinying Hardware Factory. There is a diversification of product ranges and the growing demand for capacity. More factories are set up later. Starting from 2017, due to the changing situation in environmental protection and international trade, we started to plan factories in other cities and abroad. In 2017, MEIDE Gengcheng and MEIDE Lianyi is established. And MEIDE Gengcheng is for the production of a pig iron, and Lianyi is for the production of ductile iron casting products. In 2018, we acquired our largest malleable iron fittings competitor in Thailand, Siam. And in the same year, Vietnam Piping is established for the production of pipe and nipples. In 2019, we entered into the industry of stainless steel. MEIDE Achong is established for the production of stainless steel pipes, fittings, support system, and press fittings. In the same year, MEIDE Avas is established for the production of the stainless steel flexible hoses. In 2020, MEIDE Weihai is established for the production of pig iron fittings. So this until now, we have 17 factories around the world. Our products mainly serve the 4 major industries: the fire, water, gas, power transmission, and also our products are widely applied in the HVAC and the mining industry. Compared to other manufacturing factories, we have the outstanding advantage of one-stop service in different industries, like including the malleable iron fittings, groove fittings, electrical power fittings, steel nipples, valve, steel pipe, stainless steel fittings, flexible hoses, and pig iron. During years of development, our production capacity of malleable iron fittings, groove fittings, and electrical power fitting is #1 in the world. Also, we also have the biggest market share in North America of the steel pipe nipples. As an export-oriented enterprise, export sales takes around 2/3 of the total business for major product ranges. Until now, we are holding altogether 28 global certification. So for different to meet the different requirements of the different industry and markets, like the ULFM in fire, NSF, RUS, and the watermark for the water. Also, we have other different certification in different markets, like the KC for Korea, for ABNT for Brazil, and the SANS for South Africa. If you have the certificates requirement, you can tell us. With the joint effort of MEIDE Group and our customers, our products are what applied in the famous projects in the world, like the Khalifa Tower in Dubai, used our malleable iron fittings and groove fittings in fire protection. And our Beijing National Stadium used our stainless steel pipe and fittings. MEIDE products are widely applied in different famous projects in different industries, like the Khalifa Tower in Shanghai, and the railway station, the stadium, the bridge, and the different business center, like the New York World Trade Center. Here are some landmark projects used our products. Also, our products are applied in the different the hospitals, the food factories, or some other big plants and warehouse. Due to the company's research and development concept, quality control concept, and integrated management concept, we have been accredited national honors, such as National Green Factory and National Technology Center. Also, we have won many provincial honors like this. Hey, the following is a picture of our certificates. As a traditional manufacturing company, MEIDE Group has been committed to the intelligent manufacturing. Due to the successful transformation, MEIDE Group is advantaged by the national and local media like the CCTV and the Shandong TV. In 2020, we also supply the intelligent manufacturing solution to other companies. From the founding casting to annealing, short blasting, grading, surface treatment, machining, pressure testing, and to the final packaging, we have achieved full automation and intelligent manufacturing in the whole production process. The success of MEIDE Group is inseparable with our partners. Here are the partners, some partners from the globe, like the top 500 companies, high-tech MECH, Xinxin Emerson, and the leading companies in the industry, like Anvil, Vivo, Saint-Gobain, and also the domestic leading companies, Ganghua, Huarun. Now, MEIDE Group was accredited Green Factories in 2018 by MEIT, and we are the next manufacturer in the foundry industry. Besides our own developments, we also pay great attention to the public welfare, like the education, the anti-epidemic, pension, ecology, poverty alleviation, etc. Until now, we have donated over 500 million RMB. MEIDE Group always committed to be an enjoyed, respected, healthy, and modernized company. Okay, now that's all of today's company introduction. If you have the question, you can leave your question online. The following is the malleable iron pipe fitting presentation by Leo.
Today, I would like to give you a special presentation of malleable iron fitting products. There are 4 parts of my introduction. The first one is the production capacity. Second, application, and then production process. Last is our advantage. Malleable iron fitting is our traditional and stock products. About our production capacity of malleable iron fittings, my teammate Maggie had just mentioned in the group introduction. We produce 160,000 tons per year, which ranks #1 in the world. Here, I prepared several interesting numbers and video clips for you to better understand. First, we produce more than 4 million pieces malleable iron fittings each day. Questions Do you know how long it will be if we connected the fittings together? The answer is 20 times of length of Earth's equator, and 2 times of the distance between Earth and the Moon. Therefore, we are keeping to expand our capacity. So maybe next target is Mars. Hope by this way it's helpful to let you understand us more. Okay, then let us move to next part, application. Our malleable iron fittings can serve many different fields, like firefighting, gas, water supply, and drainage, system, HVAC, and others. What about the others? Our fittings are also in construction, irrigation, railway. We also have malleable iron pipe clamps for multiple use like greenhouse, furniture, and anywhere needs pipe structure. Also, we found our MECH Malleable iron fittings are not only the star in the industry, but also sometimes being in the star in the movie and the TV series. This is a TV series called Good Behavior. This one are moving Man on the Ledge. And this is the movie Ant-Man, where our products are always in. Even we did not pay advertisement charge to the film producer because our products are everywhere. MECH brand was registered in 102 countries, and MECH products are sold to 130 countries. Our products are widely used in firefighting, water, and gas system for subway station, airports, shopping mall, and stadium. The New York World Trade Center uses our malleable iron fittings. The tallest building in the world, Burj Khalifa Tower, uses our threaded and grooved fittings. Next part will be the most important one. I will introduce the whole production process for malleable iron fittings with the video on site. Hope you will enjoy the online journey. We always welcome you to visit us if the epidemic is over. Here is a simple flow chart for our production process, including first step casting, like smelting, molding, pouring, annealing treatment, and then processing, including surface treatment, thread machining, and inspection. Then the final step is packing. First, smelting. Let us check the video clip first.
Malleable iron pipe fittings of MEIDE Group. Production process. 1. Smelting. High-quality material is the guarantee of product quality. MEIDE Group is the only Class A enterprise in the foundry industry with advanced equipment and low energy consumption in smelting process. MEIDE Group adopts the most advanced water-cooled longevous cupola with external hot blast air, which can maintain the high temperature of melted iron, stable composition, and pure molten iron. In addition, MEIDE Group adopts a real-time online monitoring systems to monitor the consumption and temperature of melted.
We get electrical furnace and a water cupola, and together with a water cupola. Then, why we are also using electrical furnace? First, it could control and monitor the chemical composition and the temperature so that we could assure the mechanical performance of fittings. But as I know, some other factories just controlled by experience, they don't do any test. Secondly, it is environmental. You know, environmental protection is very important. Chinese government are paying more and more attention to control environmental protection. Many factories shut down because of environmental protection policy. So this is very important for us to keep normal operation. Next step is molding. Actually, molding and smelting are doing this at the same time. Let's see the video first.
Melding. MEIDE Group brings Indisa automatic melding line from Denmark, which can guarantee the same uniform and high hardness. High precision of equipment and molds can ensure the consistency of casting dimensions with no mismatch. Therefore, the casting is in smooth finish and nice shape.
And what is DISA? DISA is the most advanced and fastest automatic molding facility. The efficiency of DISA is very fast. It could make 450 boxes molds per hour, which is equal to 8 hours work by 3 people. Until now, we totally have 11 DISA lines. This is one of reasons that we can deliver goods quickly. Okay, let us move to next step, pouring. Video first.
3. Pouring. MEIDE Group introduced the most advanced automatic pouring machine, INDA, whose bottom gating system helps to remove the scum. Real-time online monitoring of casting temperature and automatic whole casting process ensure high performance and high stability of product quality.
While some of the factories are still pouring by workers, we are using automatic pouring equipment. It could inspect the temperature 24 hours, and we adopt a different pouring scale to make sure the purity of iron water. This is the key. The iron water flows to the box from the bottom of the ladle, while others pour from the top. What is the difference? It is like a cup of tea. If we pouring the tea from the top, the tea will come out together with water. But if we make a hole on the bottom, only water comes out. Similar, we could keep the iron water purity, no slack, by this way. Maybe you have noticed at the video that this step are divided into 4 temperatures, and the total annealing time is 33 hours. Why is the step so complicated? This makes the fittings not that hard. We call it elongation. Without elongation, fittings are easy to get broken. But even if we finish the process, how can we know fittings is qualified? Don't worry. We will check them from microstructure and performance. Ferrite will make fittings harder. On the contrary, pearlite will make them flexible. And the proportion must be balanced. And the equipment will test the performance, the double assurance. Next part is galvanization.
Galvanization. MEIDE Group uses automatic chute blasting line before galvanization process. For galvanization process, we use automatic acid pickling line, automatic temperature control system, and automatic zinc plating production line. The standard detection method and frequency ensure the uniform of zinc thickness, and the average zinc thickness is higher than the industry standard. Good adhesion of zinc liquid, good collision resistance, strong corrosion resistance, longer lasting, and no color fading. MEIDE Group can provide multi-surface products such as black, electroplating, hot dip galvanizing, internal plastic coating, hot dip galvanizing plus.
Actually, we have several different surface treatment options. As mentioned in the video, we have black with anti-rust, hot dip galvanizing, electrical zinc, and also platinum, which is called double galvanizing. We can also provide electrophoretic plating and epoxy powder coating. For malleable iron fittings, black and hot dip galvanizing is most popular. We make strict thickness and adhesion in inspection during the production according to the related international standard to assure the quality of galvanizing coating. Next step, we will give the fitting ability to connect with tubes. We call it the threading machining.
MEIDE Group uses advanced automatic fitting tapping machine for the threading process. We can supply different threads options. National standards stipulate axis angle need be controlled within 30, but we controlled within 17, which can better solve the inclined pipes problem after installation. Thread taper ratios is 1:16. High precision of thread control can ensure thread seal.
Advanced automatic fitting tapping machine and CNC automatic processing machine are used during the processing. Finally, we will do 100% leakage air pressure test before delivery to make sure no defective fittings leave our factory.
Leakage testing and anti-rusting. The finished products are checked by air pressure test. The air pressure is above 0.5 MPa. In this way, the products are 100% qualified, and the anti-rust oil without aromatic hydrocarbon is adopted to meet the quality and environmental production requirements.
The final step is packing. Let us have a look at our automatic packing line.
Automatic packing. MEIDE Group adopts the automatic packing line, which can guarantee the accurate packaging quantities and the consistent appearance. The whole production process of MECH brand malleable iron pipe fitting has 36 quality control nodes. The manufacturing process of the products is reliable and meticulous, and each product is 100% qualified for delivery. The products are well distributed in more than 170 countries and regions. As a result, MEIDE Group can become the leader of malleable iron fitting industry gradually.
Okay, that is all the parts for our production procedure. Now, I will summarize the points of our advantage. The first one is the full standard. We have different standards like BS standard, American standard, and DIN standard. Different options available like dimension, threading, pressure rating. Different standards have obvious difference in appearance. For example, American standards and BS standards are blended. American standard is much heavier, which DIN standard is beaded. You can clearly distinguish them from these these three products in these pictures. In addition, I understand that everyone cares about quality control. By knowing our production process, I believe that you have got how we make quality control. We make inspection during the 9 key process and do 100% leakage air pressure test before delivery to make sure no defective fittings leave our factory. Our product's liability insurance limit is up to $2 million, which is the highest in the industry. All this can help us to establish a stable long-term and mutual trusting partner relationship with our customers. Next, global certification. We have gotten a lot of approvals and certifications from different nations and areas, which provide convenient conditions for our global sales. We achieved the UL/FM certificate for fire protection application, DVGW for gas application, NSF for water. At the meantime, we also get industry certification like CE for Europe, TS for Korea, EAC for Russia, and the near countries. That means we could sail to the place around the world. One-stop service. MEIDE Group aims to provide complete products and one-stop service for our clients in fluid cleaning industry across the globe. We have groove fittings, valves, electrical power fittings, stainless steel fittings, steel pipe nipples, ERW pipes, spiral-welded pipes, and also stainless steel flexible hoses, and so on. You can see that our product range is very rich, more than 800 product specifications. We could provide the most complete full range of products from 1/8 inch to 6 inch, simple and economical solutions to meet users' needs. Except the quality, the most important issue, which customers always concern, is a stable delivery date. Our normal delivery time is stable at 45 days. Of course, we have the ability to make faster delivery for special and urgent requirements. MEIDE Group are the largest malleable iron fitting manufacturer here, the only Class A casting company in the industry in China. That means we can keep stable delivery capacity. Even during the past 1.5 years with epidemic, we never stop production. This is also another biggest reason why favored by the big international customers. Finally, let me make a conclusion about our advantages. First, full standard options. Second, reliable quality. Then global certificates, and we offer all one-stop service and full size, then stable delivery. This is all the contents here I want to show you today. And thank you for listening. And we are sorry for the voice problem. After this part, if you have any questions about our company and our malleable iron fitting products.
So I would like to thank Mr. Leon, Mrs. Denise for this nice presentation and nice content of the malleable iron fittings and MEIDE Group profile in general. Also, I would like to thank all our attendees today. And as we said in the beginning, this is our first webinar with the MEIDE Group. And we hope that soon we will make another webinar. The topics that we are also interested are the grooved fittings, the valves, grooved fittings, of course, the ULFM, which are basically utilized for fire installation. Also the valves, the pipes. So MEIDE Group, as we saw in the presentations, they are a very huge group in the worldwide, and we as JC YARED, we are proud of our partnership with them, and of course we look forward for the future to successful business partnership, and as well to make additional webinars for other products that they produce. And we look forward. Thank you again for all. And we hope to see you again in our next webinars. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Bishra. Thank you, everybody. We would be happy, of course, if in future we have the chance to present more about our other products. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you.
Pleasure. Thank you.